Alice and Caleb, and this is That 70s Reno with MasterStroke by Resene.
We have Mika, who's 7, and Alec, who's 9, and they have identical bedrooms next to each other.
We want to transform these rooms to reflect their personality and style.
Mika wants plenty of colour and a craft area. Alec wants a library under his bed and a space dedicated for his Lego.
So it's off to Resene Colour Shop to make their design dreams happen. So this is Mika's wallpaper for all of her walls. Nice. I'm really wanting to draw out all the pastel tones. Oh, I like that blue. I think that's a great match. What do you think?
That's bang on.
Wallpaper for Alec's room. I want to have, again, retro pattern feel.
These are the original designs from the 60s.
Oh, wow. We're getting this.
Okay, brilliant.
Alice has picked the wallpaper. I need to pick up everything I need to get it up on the wall.
Well, you need some size right there, paste as well. You'll need your smoother, brush, blade, plumb bob, the roller as well. I'll be surprised if you need anything else. Good luck.
The demo of these rooms was very exciting, saying goodbye to that wallpaper, curtains, and carpet.
And then everything needed to be primed. Resene waterborne Sure Seal for all the existing surfaces and Resene quick dry primer on the new timber.
These rooms took us to design places we have never been before, like using Resene Just Right and Resene Half Halcyon on the ceilings using Resene ceiling paint.
In Mika's room, we used Resene Lustracryl to paint the feature panel walls, wardrobe and shelves in Resene Solitaire. I DIY'd a barn door and Alice made it pop using Resene Linchpin.
I reluctantly gave Alec full control of colour scheming for his bedroom, and he selected Resene Gecko and Resene Half Halcyon for the wallpaper, Resene Destiny for his trims and concrete floor, and Resene Half Halcyon for the wardrobe and wall shelves.
To paint the concrete floors, we prepped and applied Resene concrete primer and then did 2 top coats of Resene walk-on.
I took Mika's bright pink bed, primed it with Resene GP metal primer, and painted it with Resene Lustracryl with the colour Resene Linchpin.
I custom made Alec's bed and then using Resene Lustracryl we painted it with Resene Wanaka and then used the same colour for his desk and chair to match.
Can we just appreciate how stunning wallpaper is and how much energy and boldness it brings to these rooms?
They may be identical in layout, but now these bedrooms are unique, personal and so much fun.